Now let's add another section, that is map. So again, let's choose another strip. Let's see, let's find a cool one. I think this is good. We can customize it and it will look good. Now let's add map. So again, go to this add section, and here is one option, contact and forms. From here you will able to fetch maps. Well guys, here are two types of map. Here is full width. So full width will from this border to this border, that will be a full width. But we will choose a normal map, that map will be in column, and we can customize it. There are a lot of layouts. Choose whatever you want. I think this will look good for this website. So let's drag it. Let's customize it. Yeah, it's good. Let's double tap it, and from here we can add multiple location and just put your address and title. So the title is going to show up here, and you can mention description also, and from here you can add multiple addresses. These are the settings, as you can see, how much zoom you want. Zoom control, street view. Well, there are a lot of options, and again there is option to design. You can change the looks and a stretch. This means that it will become a full width, as you can see here, like this. But I don't want this. Let it be like this. Now change this background. Well, let's undo it. Yeah, it's okay. Now let's change this background. I have one color, so let's use it. But I'm not finding it cool. So let's choose a color from a color palette. Yeah, this is okay. Oh my god, I forget to add. So let's do it again. Yeah, it's okay, I think. Add. Done. Let's close it. Let's close it. I want to delete this icon. I'm not liking it. Let's change its position. Change this. Let's change the fonts and text. Well, font is okay, so let's just change the text. And from here we can change the sections, like we can mention over here our address, email and phone number, so that it will become easy for our visitor to reach us. So this is not a real address. This is just for demo purpose. Let's copy and paste it. Let's put mobile number. Now let's put email as well. Yeah, here we go. So let's see how it looks. It's okay. It's good to go. You can use this. Let's see in preview. It's okay, I think.